Just recently, Primetime Live joined the Botswana International University of Science and Technology, Biust, as they held their 2019 graduation ceremony. This graduation ceremony, which was held under the theme Harnessing Innovative Technologies, Entrepreneurship in Pursuit of a Knowledge-Based Economy, saw hundreds of future Biust engineers and scientists coming together to finally receive the conferment of what they have long worked for.
Well, today what we're celebrating is a true embodiment of great work, perseverance, dedication, as well as smart work, as it is the 4th annual Botswana International University of Science and Technology Class of 2019 graduation ceremony.
The 2019 Biust Graduation is the 4th of its kind since the establishment of the university. The graduation ceremony continues not only to bear testimony to the quality of graduates that Biust gives to the industry, but it also substantiates the growth of the institution as one that aspires to be a premier research-based university of science, engineering and technology, internationally recognized for the quality and excellence of its teaching and learning, research and innovation and engagement. Since the establishment of the Biust, the university can confidently declare that it has played its role in helping equip students with the necessary skills required of them to assume more proactive roles towards transforming Botswana's economy from a resource-based to a knowledge-based economy.
Biust students, who are key stakeholders, have a legitimate expectations that their qualifications will be recognized and be held in high esteem in Botswana and internationally. In December 2018, the university was registered as a higher education training provider by BQA. Substantial progress was made in the preparing of academic program portfolio, which will pave the way for the registration of these programs with NCQF, and subsequently to receive recognition by the Engineering Registration Board and international accreditation by Engineering Council of South Africa. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to encourage graduates to position themselves to create business ventures in 2020 and beyond, commercialize their technologies, create employment, and partner with their strategic financiers to project financing in line with government development plans. It brings honor and renewed hope to graduates and parents as we inject a fresh breed of skills in industry who will join various sectors of the economy, be mining, water, engineering, telecommunications, finance, business, and laboratories of all kinds of disciplines, ICT, and banking industry in the quest to find solutions for their communities.
The university can confidently declare that it has played its role in helping equip students with the necessary skills required of them to assume more proactive roles towards transforming Botswana's economy from a resource-based to a knowledge-based economy, and one that embraces the positive potential of the 4th Industrial Revolution. This year's guest speaker was none other than the founder of Boitekanelo College, Dr. Mampani.
I believe that you have learned about prototyping, you have learned about design thinking, you have learned about customer service, you have learned about customer centricity, you have learned about economics and demands, and those are the heartbeat of innovation. I think it is high time that we view failure differently in our country, so that we can encourage our young brothers and sisters to be bold enough to pursue their dreams, to be bold enough to know that as you do, even in engineering, there are chances of you failing. But what is important is to learn from your failure and to adapt. Learning is what brings leading technology. Learning is what brings cutting technologies in first world countries. Learning is what we need in Africa. I'd like to encourage class of 2019. If you look closely at most of the Silicon Valley companies, they were actually started while they were still at universities. The guys were studying together. They partnered because they understand that collaboration is the new currency. Graduate of class of 2019, I'd like to say congratulations.
Finally, the time to be officially recognized as Biust certified graduates came. Kick-starting the proceedings was the conferment of doctorate degrees. Doctor of Philosophy, Mathematics, Doctor of Philosophy, Physics, Doctor of Philosophy, Statistics. Following was the conferment of master's degrees, where certain graduates were conferred under Master of Science in Chemistry, Physics, Pure and Applied Mathematics. The other conferment of degrees were under Bachelor of Engineering in Chemical Engineering, Civil and Environmental Engineering, Computer Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Industrial and Manufacturing Engineering, Measurement and Instrumentation, Mechatronics Engineering, Telecommunications, to mention but a few. Best students who have demonstrated academic excellence also received their prizes. The prizes came in as monetary sponsorships from various organizations.
I call on the representative of Stanbic Bank to present the Chancellor's Award to the best overall student in the graduating class.
Emmanuel Pax Makura was the best overall student.
I found out that discipline was a painful process, but with a wonderful outcome. My advice to current Biust students is this: never believe that there is time. Those who make the best use of time, they rise and grow in life. Those who waste their time, they lag behind. They fail to make any mark in life. Current Biust students, I urge you to learn from my experiences. Utilize your time wisely in making a good career. Spend your time exploring, learning, and doing something new. My time at Biust allowed me to grow. Vice Chancellor, I wish to thank Biust for not only allowing me to excel academically, but also for strengthening my character.
Now, as the sponsor, Lily Stanbic Bank, why do you find it imperative to actually come to sponsor such a university?
I think from the onset, we are banking partners for the university. But you know, our partnership does not just begin and end with banking. We believe in the vision that the university has. At Stanbic Bank, we believe that youth employability, employment creation is a huge thing for this country at this particular point in time. And if you think about what they are doing here, it just talks to exactly that. And it is such a massive thing that they cannot achieve on their own. They need support. And we are humbled that they allowed us to come and partner with them to get our young people ready, to get our young people well positioned to take over the world, not only of work, but of employment creation as well. As a bank, we believe in digitization. Now, if you remember, digitization is built on the foundation of maths, science, and technology. So we are actually investing in Biust for ourselves as well, because we are potential beneficiaries of the work, the fantastic work that Biust is doing here.
Overall best, not just a graduate.
There were moments where I really felt like crying, but I held my tears because I know that this is one of the greatest days of my life, and I'm really happy. There's no feeling that I can express how I'm feeling today. I'm really happy.
Kindly share with us and share with those some of the tactics that you probably use to actually get to a point where you are right now, a graduate plus and overall best.
Basically, this is not an easy journey as many will think, but it requires commitment to our studies. It requires for us to be constantly working hard, not only when we have tests, but always to be working hard until the final whistle.
How was it, and were there any challenges that you came across? And tell us about how you got to surpass them to get to where you are.
All right, Batung Tishare is said to be hard, but yes, it is hard, but hard work, commitment, focus, determination to what you want is what takes you to the final goal.
So what I'm taking with me is obviously Africa. I was born here, so it's something that's always going to be a part of me, and what I'm leaving, I hope to help people and just leave my presence behind, basically.
The way we are preparing these young people, they must be ready and apply themselves in the world of work. And my idea is that they must connect with the relevant industries where they have the skills and the competencies to make a difference in that industry. For example, we have young people being attached after the 4th year in different industries in this country. More importantly, those that are in Palapa, like Morupule, like the Botswana Power Corporation, by having skills in telecommunication, in power engineering, in big data, they are immediately relevant to those industries.